Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, so listen, today is day one of the challenge and I am pumped to get ready, alright? Seriously, no joke. Okay, so what are some things that we can do to get ready for this challenge, to actually get started? What do we need to do? Alright, so first things first, alright? You're going to want to clear out all the crap in your fridge. You got to clear out the Twinkies, you got to clear out the Tootsie Rolls, you got to clear out whatever it is that is your go-to like calorie counter thing that ups the calories that you don't need. We got to get rid of that, because let's just be real. We have our 30 days to make this group happen. We have our 30 days to get the best results that we possibly can. All right? So, with that said, we got to make it count, all right? Because we're going to come back to that in a second. Nutrition. Clear all the crap out in your fridge. Secondly, set a time every single day to work out. Are you doing T25? Or you only need 25 minutes? Do you need half an hour? Do you need an hour? Do you need an hour and a half? However long. I'm going to be real. You never have time to work out. Okay? There's never just extra time laying around. We're all busy people. Trust me. You have got to make the time to work out. Alright? So you have to set that time every single day during your week to make that workout happen and see the best results that you possibly can. Alright, so clear out the crap in your fridge. Drink your shakes. Get all the nutrition straight. Buy what you need to buy. Secondly, set a time to work out, because you're never going to have time to work out. And then finally, thirdly, bring it. Alright? Every single day. Don't cheat on that rep, okay? You're better than that, and you know it. Don't cheat on that last 10 minutes, on that last 5 minutes, on that last stretch, on that first beginning stretch. Don't cheat. Just do it, okay? Because I guarantee you, number one, you're worth it, okay? But secondly, over the course of the next couple months, or over the course of the next month, over the next 30 days, you don't want to leave anything on the table, alright? Bring everything you got, and I guarantee that your body will pay you back for it, and it will look good at the end of this 30 days. Alright? So, keep it going. Finally, what's the last thing? Clean the crap out your fridge. Set a time to work out. Bring it. Leave nothing on the table. And then finally, I want to get to know you. Okay? So, if you wouldn't mind, okay, because we're a family here, we're a challenge group, and we want to get personal. We want to see who you are. Alright? So, finally, I want you to post a video just like I'm doing. Alright? I want you to post a video about who you are, where you're from, alright, what video, what workout it is that you're doing, and what the goal is by the time you finish. Alright? Who you are, where you're from, what workout you're doing, and what your goal is by the time you finish. Alright? The Fab Four. Alright, guys. I will see your videos in here by the end of the day, and let us know how your workout went. Okay? I'm pumped to see them. Alright. Have a good one, guys. Bye.